Si retired broadcaster po Ramon Tulfo has alleged that several prominent individuals are behind a supposed effort to destabilize the current administration. And dinabas niya po yung listahan, pero nandun po kayo sa listahan among other prominent personalities like sila former Executive Secretary Vic Rodriguez, former Secretary Mike Defensor, Chavit Singson, Senator Rodante Marcoleta, Colonel La Chica at Ferdito Pasio, among others. At ang alleged possible financiers are Vice President Sara Duterte, Congressman Pulong Duterte at Chavit Singson. Pero yung pangalan nyo lang po yung may nakalagay na for confirmation. But what is your comment about this?
Thank you very much, Attorney Karen, at na-raise mo yung issue na yan. Ako nga, natutuwa nga ako dyan sa kwan na yan. Lalagay nila yung pangalan ko, pati lalagyan pa nila ng for confirmation. Pero ang intention dyan, ilagay talaga yung pangalan ko. Alam mo, Attorney, I've been there. And I know how it is to coordinate, how to conduct all this destabilization because we did it in 2006. Napakahirap yan. Hindi basta-basta ginagawa yan ng nagsusulatan o kaya nag-i-email o yan nagte-text yan. Talagang kailangan na series of preparations yan, matindi yan. And I've never been involved in that since the time na natapos yung 2006 na nakulong kami. I promise not to get involved in that. Kaya sa aking mga speeches ngayon because I am invited in to talk 2 times, 3 times a week, sometimes 4 times a week pa nga eh. Lagi kong binabanggit yan that I totally support social activism, especially encouraging young people to join social activism, provided that it is done within the confines of the law. Ang lagi ko nga sinasabi sa kanila huwag niyo akong gayahin. Because it will never help this country, it will never help you as well. Kaya yung ginawa nilabas nila yung pangalan ko na yan, isa lang ang masasabi ko dyan, talagang pawang kasinungalingan.
Thank you, Mayor Benji. At palagay niyo po ba, bakit kayo sinama dito? Is it because of 2028? Is it anything to do with possibly you running for a higher position? Or ano kaya po yung naging intention?
Ayoko namang maging politiko to, yung comment ko. Pero the way I see it, it's really a very orchestrated character demolition operation. Dahil nga rito sa aking kampanya laban sa corruption. Kaya I'm pretty sure na so much money are being shelled out para talagang sirain kami rito. Kaya kailangan and to give up the crusade, I abandon the crusade, but we're not going to give up. For the sake of our children, our young children, for the sake of our country, we are not going to give up. Maski na maski na i-threaten pa nila yung buhay namin, we're not going to give up.